What I hear most often is my product regulated by FDA? Sort of what is the boundary where FDA is going to regulate it and where are they not going to regulate it? It's a hard struggle for the agency to kind of make sure that safe products are being produced, but to also foster innovation. So to not have such a tight regulatory grip over the companies that are developing these products. FDA is really applying a risk-based approach. Is the product going to be safe for consumers to use? Is it something like a smartwatch that maybe is just tracking your steps? Or is it giving more clinical advice? Is it actually stepping in the place of a care provider to give medical advice? And in that instance, I think FDA will sort of take a tighter look and step in as a regulator. I am impressed every day at the products that companies are producing. Sometimes they have a hard time sort of navigating the number of sort of guidance documents or policy papers that FDA has put out on this topic. And because it is new and rapidly evolving, there aren't sort of set in stone guidelines for industry to follow. So it's interpreting what the agency has put out as applied to their products and how the agency is going to regulate them. Another piece of that is putting these companies, connecting them with the right people at FDA to effectively move their products along and bring their products to market. The FDA, specifically CDRH and their sort of digital device services and centers, are really good. They're really willing to work with industry. They want to hear from industry. FDA is pushing out guidance documents and policy papers, but a lot of times it takes them a while to do so. It has to go through many hoops. So industry, I feel like, can really partner in this area with FDA. They can be a leader to kind of shape FDA policy and guidance that's being put out. Industry really needs to be a little more proactive and nudge the agency. Definitely have frequent communications with the agency, let them know what you're doing, what you're developing, and really act as almost a partner in the development and policies that are being shaped in the field of telehealth.